Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hi. The best internet resources about how to figure stud fees when breeding dogs. These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to figure stud fees when breeding dogs is www.akc.org. See the page titled How to Count Points at AKC Dog Shows, American Kennel Club. This is the link. You can also try www.faqs.org, especially the page How Do I Enhance My Dog to Breed with Her Mate? Q&A. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site ask.metafilter.com. The web page How Should Stud Fees Be Calculated? Dog Breeding Stud Fee. This is the link.